This is day 12 and I'm back with the new ingredient which is Bittergourd, and that's also known as Karela. So this little vegetable is very helpful for your skin, and we know about the benefits that it gives if we drink the juice and have it in food. But it's really difficult because the taste is not very good. So we can apply it on your face, and this helps to remove acne marks, helps in reducing pimples, and makes your skin complexion a little better. So let's make a mask, and I'm going to add aloe vera because this is a little harsh. So directly putting a Bittergourd wouldn't be a good choice. So we can add aloe vera to make it a smooth paste. And this is it. So I kept it for 10 to 15 minutes. And if you're facing any challenges with acne or acne marks, scars, or anything like that, then this is definitely a great solution. So try this. And also, if you haven't started this challenge, this is the right time. You can't get this much time again. I don't think so. So just try this, and you can try for 7 days, and after that continue if you observe good results. Bye.